So you already know this is Dre's birthday vlog, and we are not gonna stop just because of the camera. The SIM card is messed up. At this point, we didn't even realize that our sound was not working. And this is the view. The view was so amazing. Everything was so beautiful. It's like just the weather was amazing as well. Just the wind was too strong.
What's going on, guys? So, we've been walking for a little bit, so we was like, you know what, let's just sit down for a minute.
And appreciate the
right in front of the stand.
Look at it. Oh, look how good you look. Look at that.
What's going on, guys? We are placing our order through the phone right now.
It's a little bit different here. Everything's placed through the phone. So, honestly, if I must say, Dre's birthday has been the most chillest birthday ever. It's so good. Like, we just been spending this. Me and Joey are always together, but just being here, looking at the weather, and just being together is a different vibe. By the way, let me get us some sanitizer.
Okay.
So when we're ready to eat, we got sanitized fully.
We got curly fries.
Yeah, get everything it is, because we're just going up. Oh, so now I found my glasses. Okay, here you go. Thank you, Nicole. It feel like that sometimes, huh?
Did you eat fries too?
No. I literally ordered everything that I need, so I don't gotta eat fries.
Okay.
I don't want to eat anything, because if I eat fries, I'm gonna be full, and I'm trying to enjoy myself. Here we go. So my babe for his drink is getting a lemonade, right, my king? That's what the birthday boy is getting, and I'm getting ginger beer. I wonder if it's a real beer. So it says it's not alcoholic beverage. What the heck, babe? It says non-alcoholic. Why did I say it's wow? I'm gonna try this and see if I like it, because they say that it's beer, but it says non-alcoholic. Oh, it's so good.
It's good.
Oh, wow, babe, take a sip. Wow, sounds like the one I make at home. I should start making you some. Wow, it's so good. So good. Look at this cute purse my baby got me. We got it at Ross because I needed like a quick purse. And my husband was like, let me get you a purse. I have like the best husband in the world. And like, I don't say that just because.
Let me talk to you. All right, guys. So she's just I have the best wife in the world, guys.
Goodness.
So I'm looking in the wrong thing. Here we go.
No.
So yeah, she planned, my whole birthday out. She made sure like that everything was together. She packed all of my things.
Oh, come on.
She bought us the tickets and everything, So I'm gonna use this moment to say I appreciate my babe. I love her.
Goodness.
And yeah, this is 30. She's gonna be 30 soon, so we're gonna be doing this again.
It's our birthday.
And yeah, we're gonna start. This is the beginning, of our family and of our life. You know,
Stop,
so
don't make me cry.
she's getting emotional over here. So yeah, guys, yeah, happy to be here, happy to be 30. This is just the beginning, for real, for real. Like, I'm so excited for the journey that we have ahead of us. We got a lot to do. We got a lot of work to do. We're gonna keep posting. We're gonna keep growing. We're gonna keep getting this money, you know. So I'm here with my best friend. We're doing it together.
Oh my goodness,
I wouldn't do it with anybody else, you know. So we're about to be here for a few days. We're gonna be in Michigan soon. We're gonna make sure to keep vlogging for you guys.
I'm a cheese.
She keeping it G. She's trying to hold back the tears.
Yeah.
But no, she's amazing. Like, I wouldn't want to be with anyone else here but her, you know. So I'm just happy for this time, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna hand the phone back over to my babe.
Like, we understand each other. What can I say? Dre has been the most amazing husband I could ever ask for. You know, when you pray for something and then God gives you better, that's my situation for real. Like, Dre is kind. He, like, when we're walking, like, he always want to make sure I'm safe. Like, he gets so mad at me when like I walk fast because he want to make sure he's in front of me to make sure everything is good. And it's like, I don't want him to be fun. I want to take care of him, but he wants to take care of me. So there's just so much I could go on and talk about, but I want to get emotional because there's somebody like on the other table looking at me. So it's like, I just want to get emotional. Okay, so this is what we're having for Dre's birthday. My love is having these yummy wings, bro. Like, I'm gonna have at least one of his wings, okay? Or chicken or whatever you want to call it. What is this? Is it chicken too?
Chicken. This is popcorn nuggets. Okay?
Popcorn nugget. We're gonna eat this slowly because we have no need to rush.
Yeah.
And fries. I like how they give my baby all this stuff. He's not gonna eat all these sauces. I'm just gonna take them out. I'm just gonna move these sauces because Ray doesn't eat sauces. Get and then this is what I'm gonna eat. Snow crab legs. I'm about to take off my jacket and I'm about to go in, okay? So yeah. So popcorn chicken wings with these things that you gotta eat one of this.
Oh yeah, I can eat
one of that.
That's cool.
And I'll let you be.
Yeah.
Look, baby knew what he was doing. Look at this. Look at this. Look what I'm eating. Yeah. The birthday boy is about to go live.